Hello friends, we are going to write an algorithm to calculate volume and total surface area of a cuboid. So a cuboid which contains 6 rectangle shaped faces, each meet another in 90 degree. In a particular vertex, the 3 shapes are meet together. So, since it is a 6 rectangle faces, it is having a length, width and height of different dimensions. So, how to calculate the volume of a cuboid? So, volume I am using a variable V, volume equal to length into width into height, which gives the volume. Total surface area I am using a variable TSA. So total surface area equal to 2 into length into width plus width into height plus length into height. This is the way to calculate the total surface area. For this, we are going to write an algorithm. Step 1 is the logical start of the algorithm. Step 2, I am obtaining length, width and height of the cuboid as an input. Input length, width, height. Step 3, I am calculating the volume of the cuboid and using a variable V. V equal to length into width into height. Next, I am calculating total surface area. I am using the variable TSA equal to 2 multiplication of length into width plus width into height plus length into height. So volume and total surface area get calculated. Now I am printing the result. Print volume and total surface area. Step 6 is the logical end of the flowchart, that is stop. So starting of the flowchart, step 1 start. Step 2, I am obtaining length, width and height as an input. Next, I am calculating a volume. Volume equal to length into width into height, it gives the value. Total surface area equal to 2 into length into width plus width into height plus length into height. I am printing volume and the total surface area, and this is the logical end of this algorithm. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.